Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
Blessings upon blessings upon blessings to all my wisdom warriors. I hope you guys are in good spirits. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, I have a few things to touch upon, Yes, man, but me I go kick it off with Peter Bunting. A long time when I hear Peter Bunting, though. Right there, so. So, the leadership of the People's National Party, PNP, is urging Jamaicans to avoid being distracted from the many pressing issues facing the country. Want to hear that, my wisdom warriors? Peter Bunting is telling Jamaicans to avoid being distracted from the many pressing issues facing the country. I hope Jamaican are listening, I hope Labour Right and PNP them listening, So Peter Bunting go on and say, you see them strategy though. You see what is going on. Them a try do anything they can do to distract Jamaica. Them come with all kind of foolishness, but we are not focusing on that. My wisdom warriors, right now, the PNP them is out and I make Andrew Olney say, hello, sir, you need to come and certify. Come and certify your declaration. And that we are waiting pan. Come and certify your declaration. So Peter Bunting said they don't want you to look at the corruption at every level of this administration. They want to distract you, Bunting said, as he charged that Jamaica's reputation in the international community is tattered. And it's true. It's true. This is why when you hear me come, I tell you, say, everybody worldwide I look down upon Jamaica just because. Let me tell you when all this started. This all started with Andrew Olney's big house on the hill. And that's so. For a long time, they start my wisdom warriors. And then again, Andrew Olney cannot declare his asset. And then again, Andrew Olney break the constitution over again. And the whole of that, wanna try to hide. A corruption, all this, corruption. Because they are corrupted. And the media houses, they are not helping. They are not helping my wisdom warriors. I just yesterday, I see them a run out with 1 and 2 sitting just through. They don't want to look bad. You understand me? And them a suck me on the right. So Andrew Olney now a distract people. With for him opinion about dual citizenship. It doesn't make no sense. They're just being racist against Mark Golding. They are just being racist against Mark Golding. And it need to stop. It need to stop, Andrew Olney, because what you're doing is wrong. You need to go sign the code of conduct. No, you're not signing no code of conduct. So I don't know who you try trick. Jamaican people have on a head pan nobody. You hear me? Have on a head pan nobody. Because it has come to my attention, let me repeat it, I start repeating it, that the Barbados Prime Minister promised them, said them are going to turn Barbados in a republic, but them are going to have a referendum. And they never give the people them referendum. Wanna hear my wisdom warriors? Okay, so una have to know, Jamaica, una have to know. Because I see if una no know, una go learn the hard way. Una really go learn the hard way. More everybody head screwing upon their body right now. Because Andrew Olney is a corrupted government. He need to come out. He needs to come out of parliament. This is what, when you see Daryl Vaz come out, Nesta Morgan, Juliet Cockburn, all of them come out. I fight for Andrew Olney stay in power. And it can't work. We cannot have a criminal prime minister. We cannot have it. You understand? Because you see from the top of the stream, dirty my wisdom warriors and then corrupt, the bottom of the stream is going to be the same. This is why you see the whole of Andrew Olney's administration is coming out and telling pure lies. This is the whole reason why them a come out and tell lie, because Andrew Olney is telling lies, so them follow, them something and teach them, And you can't imagine he have G2000 and young Jamaica, all of the young boy them and young girl them, and that him a teach them for lie. Our young people need to be saved. Our young people need to be saved, my wisdom warriors. What are they teaching the youths of Jamaica? This is the question. What are they teaching the youth of Jamaica? So my wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think about that. So my wisdom warriors, only need to hear this at claps here. Andrew Holness warned his administration and telling them to respond to people spreading lies and misinformation. Lord Jesus. Prime Minister warns his administration will respond to people spreading lies and misinformation. Wanna hear them something here? I will spread misinformation. Andrew alone and the administration telling lies. Before Andrew Holness warn, he lied MP them for stop come out pan X, stop come out pan Facebook, stop come out pan IG and TikTok and make a fool of themselves and stop misleading the people. And that he need to tell them who tell lie like them. Andrew Holness wicked in my wisdom warriors. Andrew Holness, you tell a lot of lie. You always, number one, you come at amount of place you born and grow up. The last place I say you born and grow up at Camberwell. Then you change Camberwell and whatever. Now you're changing a born and grow up there. So you come out and tell a lot of lie and think people now follow up these things. And when we retaliate back, you say a lie we are tell. You know why you say a lie we are tell? Because you don't remember your lie. You remember, this is why we always have to keep, we have screen recording here, you know. We have screen recording here, you and your owners. You have to stop it. Warn your people them. Warn your bulldog them in a fear camp. For stop come out and spread propaganda for Mark Golding. Stop telling lies. Stop calling Mark Golding names. This is what your MP then do. Me no know how they reach this, so you know, and must links. Cause could never qualification make them reach this, so. Because if a qualification, they wouldn't behave like that. Calling Mark Golding names and all these things. MP, you know, member of parliament we are talking about, you know, my wisdom warriors. These are the people, you know, coming out, you know, telling lies and spreading propaganda, and then Andrew Holness are tricking people them. This man, me I tell you, man, this a man here, he can talk the talk, but he can't walk the walk. Andrew Holness yesterday. Can talk the talk, but he can't walk the walk. Jano. So, in the article, it stated, leader of the Jamaica Labour Party, Prime Minister Andrew Holness, has warned that his administration is prepared to face head-on people who spread lies and misinformation about it. And at them spread the most lies and misinformation. Yo, me I tell you about Andrew, you know, he's a dangerous brother, you know. Addressing the party St. Andrew East Rural Constituency Conference on Sunday, Holness urged that because his administration has outperformed any previous People's National Party government, no, you know what, me not even about to read this because a pure lie this a man I tell now, see? Pure lie, you know what? Me can't bother with the lies, Andrew Holness, a lie bad. My wisdom warriors, take in this. The Ministry of Health and Wellness has ordered a full investigation into an incident at Falmouth Hospital in Trelawney, where a patient died after being admitted to the facility. All right. I would like to ask Christopher Tufton, who is doing the investigation? I hope another same hospital people them, you know. I hope another same hospital people them. I should answer her. I should answer her come in and deal with this. Because the people them in the hospital cannot investigate nothing. Me tell you no from now. Because you not explain and tell me who are going to lead this investigation. It's understood that the relatives of the victim took to social media to complain about the circumstances surrounding the death. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton says a full investigation will be conducted into the allegations being made by the woman about the treatment of her mother at the Falmouth Hospital. Dr. Tufton says the family of the victim will be provided with counseling. You can't go along where you go. People they don't want no counseling from uno. If people they want justice, and that the people they want about counseling. I can't go on like una Mr. Good up. If people they don't want no counseling from uno, the people they want justice. The people they want uno to buy bed. Make sure so uno have uno own medication so uno can thief out the people. My wisdom warrior, seriously. I have to laugh a while ago. You can't believe the people them buy their medication 95,000 for the medication, you know, for a weekly supply. You hear the money there? 95,000 for a week. Boy. And then say Jamaica healthcare is free. Eh? 95,000, you know. You can't imagine the people, them happy, them, why? This happy hat, them in my wisdom warriors. Imagine, you buy a pill and it costs 95,000 for a weekly supply. And when you go there, the nurse then say, they can't find the medication them. Of course, never hear some medication at last in a hospital. I never hear this from a barn. I never hear this. I never hear this. You know, the other day I was showing a picture. I think Andre put up that picture. Yes, Andre put up that picture, and I share it on my page. And I was saying, looking at the medication fridge, there wasn't any lock on it. And I said, how can you have patient walking around and the fridge is not locked? That's what I said. I said that is health and safety. That is wrong. Then every medication fridge need to be locked with lock and key. This is what I said. Somebody come in at the comment section and start a course and say, why would somebody go in there? Yeah? Me feel hop off at the hospital them. Because why would a patient pick up themselves and go take out a medication? You see what I try to show you? But look, 95,000 worth of medication will last 1 week can just disappear in thin air just like that. And no nurses, no doctors, nobody don't know where the pill them gone. Seriously, my wisdom warriors. You see, this here hospital here is some joker hospital. The health system is a whole joker system. That's why these things happen. That's why these things happen. You understand me? That's why these things happen. Why? I don't know. It is just sad. I want to wear. And then the lady did it with her mother. And you know, them a try to work with the clinic and the hospital, but the hospital now work with them. Then go, you know, me hear the lady say, my wisdom warriors, the lady say, even for pay for private helicopter, then we use their money and do it. And guess what they say? No nurse now go and go. And that them say. No nurse now go. You know what? Well, and then Christopher Tufton say, I'm the best health minister. And then I have some little idiot labor right all over on social media. Put up Christopher Tufton picture and say Christopher Tufton a best health minister. I know bed no in a hospital. And they know that, you know. So no, and them, you see, enough of them will come on social media, my wisdom warriors. Enough of them, family and relative, go hospital and suffer too. Enough of them. But for sure, you all them fool and stupid and claim so they die hearted. They not have nothing about them. They labor right them with them on social media. Nothing they not have about them, man. They worthless. They worthless, a worthless set of people, my wisdom warriors. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Jano, man. But you know what? I want justice to be served for this mother. I want justice to serve. I want the people then go out and protest. Go to Falmouth Hospital a whole heap of time. You know, say a whole heap of time. People link me about the hospital there. And I talk a lot of things about the hospital. The hospital there. That hospital is a death row hospital. Falmouth people, when you're not sick, you don't go to Falmouth. You better steer somewhere else, not Falmouth. Because Falmouth a Margos, a dead house up there. So, when you hear me, they don't have medication. Simple ECG machine they don't have. Nothing they don't have. My wisdom warriors, the question we want to ask is, why was there no ambulance? You want to hear me always come out in it and talk about the healthcare system. And me always say each hospital will have at least 3 ambulances, don't it? You see Andrew unless I black me, if you listen to me, because if you listen to me, you won't go wrong. You won't go wrong, my wisdom warriors. Lord Jesus, mighty God. Boy, phone a prime minister not easy, you know? You know, easy at all. So, there is no ambulance and her medication went missing, my wisdom warriors. Yeah? And it is 95,000 worth of medication. 95,000. I wonder if they are using medication. I wonder if they must sell the medication them. Lord Jesus, you know what? Let me stop it here because something alright, because I could never take them and take a medication to give to somebody else. I must sell them and sell that. Jesus, I do not know. It is really sad. It is really sad. But you see, we want justice for serve. We want justice for serve. Yes, man, we want justice for serve because all these things need to stop. And more than like, we say everybody go out and start protest. On if you protest outside Falmouth Hospital, protest outside it because that the hospital they need to lock down. Seriously, because if no medication not there, no equipment not there, no resources not there, then this one a hospital. This one a dead house. A dead house. A dead house. That's why in my wisdom warriors. It's not a hospital. The government no care about the Jamaican people. I tell you no all the while when me say it, some people say me vile. But it's the truth. But it's the truth. How much I uno go a hospital and amount of people link me. A lot of people link me and tell me how them pitney sit down in a chair. How them pitney sitting down in chair for 3 days. Then daughter sit down 5 days now. Can't get a bed. Jamaica, this is happening, you know. Where Christopher Tufton boasts about how much billions in collect. Government a waste of time, man. Waste of time. I want to lift up, man, because we don't have no love for the Jamaican people. The whole want to lift up from out of House of Parliament. All you do is take with taxpayer money. And enrich yourself. And go on like you is not a part of the illicit six. But wait, man, wait. Uno time I go come. My wisdom warriors, uno tell me what you think about this. Attorney for Cartel's co-accused Kahira Jones, John Clark, today urged the Court of Appeal to draw a line in the sand and free his client. I don't blame him. I don't blame him. He says what has happened to the accused men could happen to any Jamaican. I do not blame him. Release him, man. Free up him, man, them. A long time a man they in their prison. Long time they in their prison. A full time now no free up the man them. They did a long time. I be a go round and come round. Now them are going to take public opinions. I first me ever hear this. Them are sitting here only happen in the history of Jamaica. My wisdom warriors. I first me ever hear say public opinions. YouTubers' opinions and public opinions are going to court. Eh? I first me ever hear them are sitting here. You know, say, if a judge keep up with foolishness, this have to go back to Privy Council. You don't know that though. A pure foolishness them are going with, you know. A pure foolishness them are going with. And here the judge now, you know, so the judge they don't have nothing to do. Just imagine right now, them have a retrial are going and them take the time out to come address this. Hear this here. So the judge them issues sharp rebuke where the judge issues sharp rebuke of criticism of appeal court's delay in handing down cartel judgment. When I hear them something, my wisdom warriors. All right. So in a day in time, yeah, them a do their retrial till they are day 2. And you tell me, say the judge, you know, so the judge didn't have nothing to do. The judge didn't really take the time out now. Them a judge them look like they end up on TikTok or sitting, or they end up on social media. When them come and address both, Uno just make sure so uno release the man, because a long time the man did. Because me don't know how uno go by public opinion. I wonder if them are going to be witness too. I wonder if them are going to come in a courthouse, come stand up, we see them. Hey, Lord Jesus, me say, I want bag around this, you know. My wisdom warriors, I just delay the case. Delay the case and come up with be a foolish about public opinion. In hearsay. I first me ever hearsay can't go to court. Hearsay can't go to court. Hearsay cannot go to court. So I don't know what kind of I don't know. Jamaica is not a real place, you know. Jamaica is not a real place. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think about this. Tell me how you feel about this and put your honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Guys, run over to my TikTok and my IG page. Follow me. The link I got there in the comment section. Also, you can support my movement by blessing up my PayPal. The link I got in the comment section. Bless up again. One love.